Hi everyone, I wanted to show our new app registration experience and the new report embed sample. So I start with going to the Power BI Dev Center. So I just type in dev.powerbi.com and I get taken to our Dev Center. We've updated the Dev Center so that when you click the app registration link, it takes you to the new app registration page. We tried to make this as simple as possible to register an app. So all you have to do is you come in, you sign in to your Power BI account. Now you have to have signed in to Power BI service first and signed up as a user, and now you just sign in. Then you just provide a name. Then you're going to choose what kind of app it is, a server-side app or a native app. So I'm going to choose a server-side app since I'm using the sample. And then you provide your redirect URL since I'm in a web app. Now, if you're using the sample, the easiest way to find out what the redirect URL is to come into the sample solution. When you open it up, you'll grab the URL. And you'll notice that here there's a redirect.aspx. And so it's just going to be /redirect. And the home page is just that same one that was there. Here you get to choose what are the scopes. I'm just going to choose all scopes. For the report sample itself, you can choose a subset of scopes, but I'm going to register an app that can do everything. Then I press register app. Now what it's doing is it's actually registering that app inside AAD and doing all the things that you would normally do in the Azure portal, but it's just in a very streamlined experience. For anyone who's already done this once using the Azure experience, I think you would agree that this is much easier. Now you get these client IDs and secrets, so I'll just go and copy the whole client ID and secret. And I'm going to show you how now to go use this app within the report embed samples. The other big news that we have today is that we can now integrate reports into applications, just like what we did for tiles. So I'm going to just pull up the sample that we created for that, and I'm going to show you how to use this client ID and secret to use the sample. So all I did was I unpacked the sample that I downloaded from GitHub. Now if I open up web.config and I scroll to the bottom, you'll see that there's properties here for client ID and client secret. So all I need to do is I need to just paste in these two values. So let me select the other one and paste it in. And then I press F5. And what this is going to do is just going to download all the dependencies for the solution and run the sample in my browser. So you can see that I've come up to the default page. This is the sample. It's a simple flow. First I sign into my Power BI account. Now I get asked to accept all of the scopes for that particular app. So just go and press accept. And then this will give me an access token. So then we're going to call the new method list reports. I won't show you the detail of the code behind this, but what it's doing is it's just calling out to see all of the reports in my account. And then what I'm going to do is you can see that I can have all of my reports. I'm going to select this particular one. And what you'll see is that we have a new embed URL for reports, and I'm just going to paste it down into this text box, and I'm going to press embed. What this does is it loads that report into an iframe and hands the access token across. Now the example URL that you see here, it shows how to load a report from your personal workspace. We also support group workspaces. So here the report is loading, and you see that the report is fully interactive. If I can change, pages, and you'll see that it's fully interactive, just as if I was watching it or using it in the Power BI experience. So there you have it. In just a couple of minutes, the ability to register an application, use the sample, and have a report fully integrated into your application. Let us know what else you'd like us to add at support.powerbi.com.